Hello, I'm Michael Waltrip, two-time Daytona 500 champion, and this is my baby. It's a 1980 Z28 that I got for my 40th birthday. If you do the math, I'm 60 now. So I've had her for 20 years, and she is a beautiful piece of machinery. And I cannot wait for exclusive paint protection to take care of this baby for me. I want to seal it. I want it to look this way for another 20 years. And with XPEL products, I can guarantee you that's exactly what's going to happen. Exclusive paint protection has come through. I cannot wait to hit the road with my girl. Thank you, Exclusive. I love it.